With me as your host for the next 60 minutes, Siska Becker. This is In Review 2025 Domestic Highlights.
2025, a year that shaped Indonesia's journey. From historic visits by world leaders and global organizations to key national priority programs driving progress and resilience. Through challenges, including natural disasters faced across the nation, Indonesia rises with strength, unity, and inspiring good news. Join us on In Review 2025 Domestic Highlights, Tuesday, December 30th, 2025 at 9 p.m. Rerun broadcast on December 31st, 2025, only on TVRI World.